Dow Jones, DAX and UK 100 have traded bullish since yesterday, and see DAX achieved 16,300 levels. US30 has come closer to 36,000 levels, while UK 100 has also come to 7,500. While the only index which was traded bearish is Nasdaq 100. Now, what to expect? And yes, specifically, I mentioned yesterday in below 16,000 levels, Tech 100 may break, and it has gone towards 15,820 before closing the day at 15,900 levels. So, now what to expect? Which position you should take trading indices today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. First DAX, then UK, and then US indices. Watch till the end. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Let's start first. Let's have a look at the Tech 100. I mean Germany 40. First, we'll look into Germany 40 here. Now, look at Germany 40. See, retracement towards the 20 period, taking the support. We have seen a megaphone pattern. In general, after the megaphone pattern, we always see a little retracement. How far it can drop? See, I will expect it to get support somewhere here at around 16 260 240 zone, which is going to remain a greater support. If you see DAX is staying below 16 260 240 zone, that is the point below which you can say that the bears will take over. As long as 260 240 zone is respected, yes, first of all, it can retest towards those levels, but it should not be treated bearish here. Stochastic is certainly overbought. MACD has crossed over and it is looking bullish. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs here. Trading bullish in this channel. On the upside now 16,320 levels. It needs to break past by in order to confirm further rise. Once it is above 16,320, you can say 16,380 is going to be the next target. Stochastic overbought. MACD is certainly at an elevated levels here. It is trading at a plus 60 levels. A crossover on the sell side is what I will await. Else you can see the highs which it has seen in the recent past plus 100 levels. RSI is again staying overbought. Coming to 3-hour, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. It has to drop below this zone, that is 16 200 180 or 170 in order to confirm the bearishness. Once it stays below this zone 16,200 and 170, you can say that the bears will take over. The stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is overbought. On the 4, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see higher lows, higher highs, increasing body size with every candle. It has to trade below 16,200 170 in order to confirm further drop. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish, and RSI consistently staying overbought. So yes, it is an extremely overbought levels, and it has to drop in order to confirm further bearishness here. It is not showing any signs of drop. See, the daily charts is bullish candle, then a step candle, and it is again rising, but also it appears it has to stay above 16,320 levels in order to confirm further rise, else it can possibly reverse. It can possibly trade with a bearish bias. See, also the prices are trading with too much of divergence from the moving average. Stochastic here is also overbought. The MACD here is also at extremely high levels here. Thus a convergence and crossover is what we can look forward to. RSI is overbought as well. Considering, I will recommend you to buy DAX at 16,320 levels and sell at 16,260 levels. For this 60 points, do not take any trade. On the downside specifically, we have to be very careful as long as 16,200 170 is not taken. We have to be watchful there. You have to just put your stop loss at entry price or trade with the trailing stop loss. On the upside, beyond 16,320, we can expect more bullishness. 16,350 380 are the next targets. Beyond 16,380, it will achieve all-time high levels, if not today, possibly in the coming few sessions. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at UK 100. See, UK 100 after recovering from the drop here, see, it has seen a drop and the lows at 7,380 levels before breaking out, reversing completely. It has seen a breakout, and once it stays beyond 7,454.60, I had told you earlier itself that we are going to look forward to 7,500. Now 7,500 is the milestone. It needs to break past by. In fact, I will say couple of levels here, 7,500 and 520, which is going to play major role here. Now notice on the early charts, higher lows, higher highs, trading in this bullish channel, which is completely engulfed between this bearish move. Thus, it is only above 7,500 520 is where the bulls will take over. 7,480 is a greater support, and then 7,460 levels. Thus 7,480 7,460 zone is what you should watch out for. Any drop below 7,460 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is near to overbought levels as well. Coming to 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you can clearly see the rise, the retracement here, and then the breakout or the reversal. But it has to stay above 7500, 7520 zone in order to confirm the bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD is bullish, RSI is looking upwards as well. Similar story on the 3-hour charts, nothing different. Only good thing is that the moving averages are now on the verge of a bullish crossover, sitting at 7450, 7460 zone. Also, we must note it has breached this bearish channel and trying to rise vertically. Stochastic here is also overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also looking upwards. And on the I have similar observation where you can find the bottom here, and with that as bottom, it has given a breakout, thus staying above 7500, 520. Certainly the bulls will take over, and on the downside 7460, 440 is the zone where we have maximum support. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is looking upwards as well. And on the daily, now look at the daily chart, see the preceding candles was a swing candle with lower lows, lower highs. Today again it has to give a breakout, then only confirm a reversal, else it is trading sideways in the modest bearish bias. It can reverse completely, it can give you a similar kind of candle what we have seen yesterday. The stochastic rising, MACD is at comfortable zone, it has come at zero levels after retracing here, and this could crossover, this could also bring more bullishness. RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell UK 100 at 7480 levels, but then also I will recommend you to be careful at 7460, 7440 zone. It is only below 7440 further bearishness will be seen. Thus, you have to put a 10 points trailing stop loss as long as 7440 is not taken. On the upside, you can buy here at 7480. 7500, sorry, beyond 7500, 7520 is the target, and if it stays above 7520, certainly I will be looking forward to 550 levels at the next and 600 levels at the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's start now with Nasdaq. See, Tech 100 has seen a major fall here after the drop, the retracement, and then the sharper drop, achieving lower lows. It has failed to break below 15800, the next support levels here. Does it mean that it is the reversal? If you connect the dots here, you will find lower lows, lower highs. Now, lower highs, which means 5980, 16,000 as the next resistance zone. If it stays above 16,000, you can say that a V-shaped recovery is on the cards. Now, this is also possible as after the drop here, one recovery is done. Now, it is consolidating. And once it stays beyond 5940, 950 zone, you can say we can look forward to 16,000 and then 16,050 levels as well. Stochastic has dropped. MACD has seen a bottom. It is crossing over for the buying position right now. RSI is flat. On the 2-hour, similar observation I have on the 2-hour charts after the drop, the retracement, and if it drops below 5900 again, we can initiate a selling position here. The stochastic is rising here. MACD has traded with extreme bearish bias. RSI is flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation. Only thing is that now the moving averages have started to converge, though it has not yet crossed over, but it has started to converge, which is certainly a bearish sign. On the 3-hour charts as well, lower highs are seen, lower lows are seen. Thus, wait for it to stay below 5900, then further bearishness is going to be observed here. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See, reversal sign is there and higher lows, higher highs are there. We have to wait for it to break below first 15900 levels and then 15850 levels in order to confirm the breakout. Below 15850 is where the bears will take over for 15800, and in this time I will look forward to 750 and 700 as well. Stochastic has retraced here. The MACD is bearish, divergent, RSI is flat, and on the daily, look at the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows, reversal sign, first red candle, second red candle may continue here. We will look into further details, but before we look into details, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Yes, I have also announced my webinar series. Every Sunday I do take a webinar where I discuss what to expect from different markets in the coming week, and also we discuss which position you should take, and also I'll be taking up your live queries there. Visit my page www.forexfunda.com. The link is there in the channel and video description. You get the mentorship batch details, you get the webinar, you can pay here and book, and yes, you get the live tickers, the top stories from across the globe. along with the economic calendar. As most of you were asked where to get the data releases, you will find the economic calendar here. You can also search for your favorite instruments and do the charting. You can schedule a call with me in case you need any consultation, and you can also take up the discussion with the community members. So do visit the platform www.forexhonda.com for more details, or join my free telegram. Now look at the daily chart. See, certainly lower highs, lower lows, reversal sign. A breakout above 16,050 is where you can say that the prices have reversed and Tech 100 is going to stay bullish. Else it is right now looking forward to give a breakdown. Once it stays below 15,900, certainly more bearishness will be seen. Specifically towards 15,840, 850 is where the first support levels will be seen. If you see it is staying below 780, 800 zone, you can say that it is the reversal which we are waiting for and more bearishness may prevail. Else what is happening here, the crossover here, we have seen it trading bullish. It has come out of this bullish channel for sure, but it is also taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade with bearish bias. MACD has crossed over at the top. It is trying to trade with divergence. This crossover is certainly coming at a higher level, so it could continue for a little while. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Thus, I will recommend you to buy today at 15,960 and sell at 15,900. For this 60 points, do not take a trade. Above 15,900, one can expect 16,000. See, 16,000, 16,020 levels you should watch out for. As long as these levels are taken, we have to put a 20 points trailing stop loss. 980 is also resistance, 16,000 is also resistance, 16,020 is there, and then only and only if Tech 100 trades above 16,050, you can expect a complete reversal. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,900, but then be careful of 870, 880 as the first resistance zone, 840 as the next, and 800 as the third. Below 800 is there for the bearishness to prevail. Now let's have a look at Dow. Now see, US30 has seen a major climb yesterday. It has gone close to now 36,000 levels. Support levels are far below 35,800 levels. And yes, any break below 35,900 is where one can take a sell position. Stochastic was overbought. It is cooling down a bit. MACD has seen an extreme rise. It is trying to converge, but it does not mean that it cannot scale up to further highs. It can. However, right now it is trying to trade bearish. RSI is also overbought here. Coming to 2-hour charts, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts as well. See, it is waiting now for the moving average to climb up for it to retrace. Now on the upside, you can see on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs are seen. Thus, even if you see it is staying below 35,940 levels, we can sell here, but then 35,900 is the major support and 800 is the next major support. Stochastic overbought, MACD extremely divergent and bullish, RSI overbought as well. And on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, we have to just wait for it to break below this. Then you can say further bearishness can be observed. See, support levels at 35,800 and 600 are far below. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought as well. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts. Look at the bullishness getting diminished. It is outside Bollinger Bands and hence a pullback cannot be denied from here. Stochastic here is also overbought. MACD is also divergent. RSI is extremely overbought here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, be careful of the 1 point. See, first of all, let's take the movement of US30 here. Rise, consolidation, then bullish move, consolidation, then bullish move. So yes, it is trading in this formation here. After the rise, it consolidates and trades with a bullish breakout. So yes, higher highs are getting achieved here. Now, if you notice, yesterday's candle was a major bullish candle. It has also come closer to 36,000 levels here. And after the reversal sign, first, second bullish candle and extremely bullish candle, if today you see it is staying above 36,000 levels, you can say more bullishness may prevail and then stronger bullish momentum may take it till towards 36,150 and then 36,200, 300 levels as well. But remember, too much of divergence of prices from the moving average calls for it to converge. Also, the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence here. Now, see what has happened here, the rise, V-shaped recovery, and then consolidation breakout, consolidation breakout. So yes, we have to wait for it to break below now 35,900 levels in order to confirm further drop. And on the upside, 36,000 levels should be a good entry for us to take a buying position. Be careful at around 36,000, 36,050 levels. If it breaks beyond this zone, stay bullish. We are going to look forward to 36,120, 36,250 and plus level. In fact, 36,300 cannot be denied. On the downside, in fact, we can take a sell entry at 35,940, but with the caution note that 35,900 is the major support levels, and only bearishness to be seen if it stays below 35,900. Below 35,900, we are looking forward to 35,800 and below levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. Watch that as well. Thank you.